Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX completes 1,000 plus kilometer journey on a single charge, paving the way for future long distance EV travel. That's a big number, man.
That's the dream.
1,000 kilometers. I'll take it. I'll take it today. I'll take one. Plus, it looks like my Taycan. It looks cooler than the other EQS.
Looks like it's made out of chrome.
Yeah,
but it's not.
I'll take it.
Cool.
I hope the supply chain can figure it out. After promising the journey earlier this year, Mercedes-Benz has successfully taken its Vision EQXX concept EV 1,000 kilometers, over 1,000 kilometers, also 621 miles. The journey began in cold and rainy conditions across Germany all the way to the south of France. What a trip. It's a nice place to go, Will. Côte d'Azur.
Côte d'Azur.
It's probably over there near Nice or whatever. It's a nice place to go.
I would imagine so with a name like that.
You might be surprised in the south of France over there.
Drinking some wine and eating some cheese.
You might be surprised over there. The French Riviera, guy like you.
Mm.
You don't know what you're in for, a guy like you.
The Riviera. That has a timeless name to it.
I'm telling you. Little road trip over there. Couple of little patios. Little cafes.
Picnic.
You might have a cold beverage because it can get hot too. You got the beaches, palm trees in France. I don't know if you knew these things.
I didn't.
You might find yourself on a yacht even.
I would love to be on a yacht.
You might find yourself at an F1 event over there in Monaco.
Oh, yeah.
It's all close by.
See Lewis Hamilton.
I might be painting a picture for you right now. Anyway, this is brilliant. Like, this is what we want, man. In the fall of 2020, they touted the highest efficiency car in the world. They talked about drag coefficient. We had the EQS in here. They were talking 1,200 kilometers. And a year later, they were testing this new silhouette EQXX concept. This one, to me, is a much cooler look, which I'm quite into, the EQXX. So hopefully this thing comes to market in some format very similar to the concept, because that baby's pretty cool.
All right.
Are we into Fun Town now?
We're into Fun Zone.
Welcome to Fun Town.